Do 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 do. Joe and Mr. Greg!
Hi, for this video I'm going to show you guys how you can use different head shapes and different haircuts along with different eyes, nose, and mouth shapes to make different characters. And I think you guys will really like it. It's fairly easy, and all you need is a pencil and paper to do it. So let's get started. To start a face, I always start with the chin and the side of the head. It's usually a U shape. After that, I put another U underneath for a neck, and then I move on to the hairline. After the hairline's on, I figure out how big I want to make the hair. If it's long hair, it's bigger. And then I put on the ears and the shoulders and move on to the face. Pretty easy stuff. What you're going to want to do is watch me make a couple, and after that you can practice a few of your own. So to do anything well, you'll have to do it a bunch. You can see that I've done this before. I start with the face shape. I move on to the neck shape. After I do the neck shape, I do the hairline and then the hair outline. After the hair outline's done, I do the shoulders and ears and move on to the noses, eyes, and mouth. I'm going to leave this on here for a second so you can pause it to look at it. And same with this one, I'm going to leave that on there so you can pause it to look at if you're drawing girls' hair. Boys and girls in school will be getting one of these, so it shouldn't be a problem. But the people at home will need to look off of these to help you get started. Okay? Draw about 3 or 4 different head shapes and different hairstyles until you get the hang of it. And then you'll be ready to start doing some of your own drawings and own characters, and you'll get better and better. Hope you have fun, and I'll see you on the next video.